Castle, Delaware.
WXO 39? I'm in it! I'm in it!
In Pennsylvania.
Central and southern New Jersey, in southeast Pennsylvania.
That's WXO 39! Oh my god! Oh my god, this was a jump scare!
Portions of northern Delaware, central and southern New Jersey, in southeast Pennsylvania.
Everything went off! Everything went off! Here we go!
Impacts, damage.
300 went off! Say Gene went off!
Spread power outages.
Wait, no! No!
Travel will be difficult, especially
No! The ER 210 failed!
In the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid
Oh! Doubleheader! Doubleheader on WNG 704! Doubleheader! Doubleheader! Another one! Another one! Here we go! Here we go! Another one! Another one on WNG! Oh my god!
Western Chester and western Montgomery. West winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour.
What is happening?
Northern Iowa expected. Central and southeast Pennsylvania.
Kent and inland.
Oh my god! Wait! I think
To blow down trees and power lines.
Wait! Cool 35! KW 35! KW 35! KW 35! KW is going off. Yeah, the KW.
Use caution if you want to drive.
All hazard. The following is a high wind. Eastern Maryland and Delaware. Station
Following is a high wind from the National Weather Service.
Oh boy.
Following county, Cecil, Maryland.
Double headers on all
20
stations.
to 30 miles per hour with gusts.
Oh boy! WXO 39! WXO 39 is going off again. Another high wind warning. This is probably State College. Oh gosh.
In Pennsylvania, Carbon and Monroe.
Uh-oh.
What? West winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles. Expected. Where? Carbon and Monroe counties. When? From 1 p.m. Sunday to 6 p.m. Monday. Impacts. Damaging winds. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and limbs. Use caution.
Oh, KIH is going off again! KIH is going off again! KIH is going off again!
Winter weather advisory from the National Weather Service.
For the following county, Eastern Monmouth, New Jersey.
No, that's Cool 35! That's KW 35! Turn down! Turn off! San Jean! Turn off! Turn off! Turn off! Come on! Where is it? Where's KWO? Give him a minute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What's happening? Another one. This is like the 10th alert I've caught right now of high wind warnings.
West winds 20 to 25 miles per hour.
This is the KWO high wind warning.
In New Jersey, Timberland and Mitchell.
Yup, KWO is about to go off.
West winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour. Monday night, mostly clear and blustery. Lows around 20. The offshore waters forecast for south of Long.
Okay, KWO has not gone off yet. Oh wait, that's WXL 39. That's WXL 39.
Snow is falling with a temperature of 28.
We just gotta wait.
Rain was falling.
Maybe they already went.
Outages on the 25 knots. Seas full of your home during logs were reported.
Okay, clearly they're not going off. Oh, another one on KW 35. Another one on KW. Is this time my easy gonna go off? Yep, it's gonna go off. Please. Yep, another one. High wind warning. Now KW 35 is going off. Oh gosh.
High wind warning in effect from 10 a.m. Sunday to 6 p.m. Monday. What? West winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? In Delaware. Delaware Beaches County.
I think they still haven't even.
Eastern Monmouth, Atlantic.
I don't think they have gotten to the 100 and Mercer one.
Atlantic and coastal ocean counties.
I don't think they've gone
From
to
10
the.
a.m. Sunday to 6
Oh no, I forgot WXM 60.
Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive.